After 13 years of procrastination, I recently stumbled upon a couple things that helped move me from a YouTube wannabeer to actually a YouTube uploader. Now, I am not a content creator at this point. I am not creating high quality content. But I am now a person who uploads videos. Here's what I learned. First, I stopped thinking about this as video creation, because the idea of video creation is lots of parts. It is parts such as lighting, scripting, editing, idea building, titles, thumbnails, all of this stuff. That's not what I'm doing. I realized I don't know how to create videos, but I can hit record. So I got in my car, despite all fear and hesitation, I hit record. I hit stop, I uploaded it immediately. I created a clip. That was all I did. And I did this until I became more comfortable speaking in front of the camera. Second thing that I realized is I'm always held back by a fear of not knowing what to talk about, or imposter syndrome, or other fears of the message I'm putting out there, or opening myself to criticism or judgment. And so I came to a decision. I am going to talk every day to the camera as I become more comfortable. And rather than coming up with some grand, profound topics or anything like that, I am going to start every message with the basis of how I or why I. So for example, today's video is how I was able to upload my first video after years of procrastination. I created another video recently, why I procrastinated for 13 years. How I and why I frame these as, this is my personal story, my personal journey. Nobody can criticize what I actually did. There's no judgment, there's no nothing. And the third thing, everybody says nobody's gonna see your first videos. That is 100% true. My first 16 videos had 0 views after 30 days. That was a lot of time for me to practice repetitions. I practiced speaking. I practiced uploading. I practiced just being more comfortable. And now, my channel's huge. I get like 4 people to see a video. And I'm not so nervous anymore. I mean, it's 4 people. But I've also done this like 40 times now, so my comfort level has gone up a lot. I'm hoping to progress, and my plan going forward is to improve one thing every day and keep recording.